Hello, in today's video I will show you how to fix generated audio with a background noise. For example, we had a project and there is a background noise that is just annoying. We just need to go to our project and then go here. For example, if you don't have this option, you don't have this option but this option on, you can switch on this one and it should help. If it didn't, you need to adjust the speed, stability and similarity. If this doesn't even help, you can just go out from here and then choose the voice isolator, and then you place your audio or recording and it should clean the audio. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.